Are you frustrated with your computer performance? Is it takes more time to do work? Then, you came to right place to know how to tweak your computer performance using Readyboost. Okay, what is Readyboost? Is it really worth? Yes, it works. Readyboost is a Windows feature, developed by Microsoft. It enables USB flash drives and SD cards to be used as write cache between hard drive and RAM. In an effort to increase computing performance, Readyboost relies on superfetch technology. To know more about Readyboost feature, open the link given in description. I am Geekv. Stay tuned. Okay, let's know how to enable Readyboost. Before that,
if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notification for every new video. Okay, let's start the session. First, connect your USB pendrive to computer.
Then press Windows plus E key on keyboard to open My Computer. Now select the connected pendrive, and right-click on it. Then go to Properties. In Properties menu, check the File System under General tab. By default the file system is in FAT32 format. So you need to format it as NTFS file system. Because FAT32 only supports up to 4 GB data. OK, close the Properties menu. Before formatting, make sure to back up files in pendrive. OK, right-click on the pendrive, then go to Format. In Format menu, change the file system to NTFS. And leave remaining values to its default state. Then click on Start button to format the drive. Format complete, click OK. After formatting, right-click on the drive. Again go to Properties menu. Now navigate to Readyboost tab. If you want to use pendrive only for Readyboost, select Dedicate this device to Readyboost. If you also want it to store files, then select Use this device. And adjust the slider to set how much space do you want to use as Readyboost. And click on Apply. Then OK. Done. Now pendrive enables Readyboost. Note, do not remove pendrive while it is in Readyboost. If it done accidentally, then again connect your pendrive and restart your PC. If you want to stop the Readyboost service, then right-click on the pendrive, and go to Properties. Go to Readyboost tab. And select Do not use this device. And click on Apply. Then click on OK button. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notification for every new video. I am Geekv. See you on next video.